Welcome, in front of me Xiaomi Mi Smart Air Fryer, and now I'm going to show you how to disable or how to enable sound notification about stop of program running. So firstly we need to use our Mi Home application. So open the Mi Home app, and on the Mi Home find your Mi Smart Air Fryer. Click on the right top corner, here you'll see the three dots button. Then scroll down and find your device settings. Here click set notification when program is done. That's cool. When you will enable this feature, you will get the push notification on your iPhone or on your Android device, and you will hear that program is done. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.